Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change AliExpress shipping address. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device, and then at the bottom you should access your account, and here in the top right corner you see a settings icon that looks like this, and here from this list you should find shipping address option. And here, if you already have added your shipping address, you will see your current one and you can edit it. Simply tap edit button, and here apply some changes, and do not forget to save it right here with this button. But you can also tap edit right here and delete it, or you can add a new address by using this button at the bottom. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.